The 2016 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, clock, power brakes, trip odometer, fog lights, child safety locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.